Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw Matic from Robinhood to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding Matic on Robinhood and want to move it to Bitmart for better trading options or lower fees, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto rules can change quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Bitmart. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio section, find your Matic holdings, and select the option to withdraw or transfer assets. It's usually under a Withdraw or Send button. Keep an eye out for that. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Robinhood might ask for the recipient's wallet address, so hop over to Bitmart and generate a deposit address for Matic. Copy that address carefully to avoid any costly mistakes. Paste it into Robinhood, specify the amount of Matic you want to withdraw, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, expect potential network fees due to blockchain congestion, so choose a time when gas prices are low if possible. Once you're ready, hit Confirm. Robinhood will process the withdrawal, which could take a few minutes to an hour depending on the network. While you wait, keep your device secure. Use two-factor authentication everywhere to protect your assets. After the transfer, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet. You should see your Matic arriving soon. A quick tip: always verify the wallet address multiple times to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That's a common pitfall in crypto. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support chats. And remember, this guide is for educational purposes. Crypto trading involves risks, so only withdraw what you can afford to lose. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered withdrawing Matic from Robinhood to Bitmart. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy trading. See you in the next video.